सानन्दं स्वागतम् अष्टम्यां कक्षायाम्। अष्टम्याः कक्षायाः पाठ्यपुस्तकम् अस्ति रुचिरा तृतीयः भागः अष्टमवर्गाय संस्कृतपाठ्यपुस्तकं वर्तते। रुचिरा नाम सुन्दरम् इत्यर्थः। सुन्दरं पुस्तकं सुन्दरं ज्ञानञ्च आनन्दप्रदं भवति। तृतीयः भागः अष्टमवर्गाय संस्कृतपाठ्यपुस्तकम् अस्ति। अद्य वयं संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति पाठं पठामः। पाठस्य नाम अस्ति संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति। संसारं नाम समाजः। समाजः यदि सागरः स्यात् तत्र कः नायकः स्यात्? नायकः यः नयति सः नायकः। यः सर्वेषाम् अग्रे सरति, उत्तमं च मार्गं प्रदर्शयति, सर्वेषां हितं रक्षति, सः एव नायकः भवति। भवन्तः भव्यभारतस्य भविष्यनायकाः अत्र उपविष्टाः। अहं गर्वम् अनुभवामि यत् भवतः सर्वान् अहम् उत्तमे दिशि नेतुं सङ्कल्पं कृतवान् अस्मि इति। एतादृशान् पाठान् पठित्वा भवन्तः स्वयं नायकत्वगुणानां संवर्धनं कुर्वन्तु। एवञ्च अस्माकं ये हितचिन्तकाः भवन्ति तेभ्यः सदैव वयं गौरवम् अर्पयामः। नायकः नाम विभिन्न विभागेषु नायकाः भवन्ति। अस्मिन् पाठे नायकः कः? सेनानायकः। बहूनां स्वप्नम् अस्ति सेनानायकः भवितुं। संसारे नायकः, यथा अस्माकं संसारस्य नायकः अस्माकं पिता स्यात्, एवं कक्षानायकः, छात्राणाम् एकः गणः, तत्रापि एकः नायकः भवति। क्रीडादलनायकः, प्रत्येकोऽपि क्रीडकः भवति, तेषाम् एकः नायकः भवति। एवं जीवनस्य विभिन्नेषु भागेषु एकैकः नायकः भवति एव। यदा नायकः सुस्थिरः भवति, दृढचित्तः भवति, बुद्धिमान् भवति, धैर्यवान् भवति, तदानीं तस्य दलः कदापि पराजयं न प्राप्नोति। एवं वयं दृष्टवन्तः नायकाः अति प्रमुखाः भवन्ति। अस्मिन् पाठे नायकः नाम सः नास्ति नायकः। ततः पूर्वं किञ्चित् प्रश्नं पृच्छामि। हरि ओं छात्र, भवान् वदतु, जीवनाय अत्यावश्यकम् अंशं किमस्ति? किम् अतीव आवश्यकं? सत्यं। भवता सत्यम् उक्तं। जीवनाय वायुः अत्यावश्यकः। भवती वदतु, वायोः अनन्तरम् अतीव मुख्यं जीवनाय किमस्ति? सत्यम्। अतीव सम्यक् जानाति। वायोः अनन्तरं जीवनाय अत्यावश्यकम् अस्ति जलं। जलमेव जीवनं। जलं विना जीवितुं न शक्यते। अस्माकं नागरिकतायाः इतिहासं यदि पश्यामः, नागरिकतायाः विकासः नदीतीरेषु एव जातः इति वयं जानीमः। यतः मानवजीवनाय जलम् अत्यावश्यकम्। यत्र यत्र जलम् आसीत् तत्र तत्र मनुष्यः जीवति स्म। परन्तु आधुनिकः मानवः यत्र स्वयं तिष्ठते तत्र एव स्वयं जलम् आगच्छति। यथा भगीरथः गङ्गां स्वर्गात् आनीतवान्, तथा मनुष्यः अद्य नदीतः स्वगृहं प्रति स्वप्रकोष्ठं प्रति पाकशालां प्रति स्नानगृहं प्रति जलम् आनयति। एवं सति जलस्य आनयनस्य किं विज्ञानम् इति अद्य विचारयामः। तदेव विज्ञानम् अस्मिन् पाठे संसारसागरः इति कथ्यते। तस्य यः ज्ञाता सः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति वदामः। My dear boys, we know that the most important two things to live on this earth are air and water. Water, when we see the history of civilization, most of our people started their civilization on the banks of rivers. That means, in the beginning of the civilization, man used to live near the resources. Water is a resource. Where there is a resource, there man used to live. As man expanded, enhanced his knowledge, later he started living by bringing resources to the place where he lives. Earlier, man used to go to the rivers, on the bank of the rivers he used to live. Now, the man where he lives, he brings the water. He brings water to his kitchen, he brings water to his toilets, he brings water to his compound. So, this is the thing which has improved the living status of the man. The knowledge of bringing the water is called Samsara Sagara in this lesson. The knowledgeful person who is instrumental in this, he is called Nayaka. That means Samsara Sagara means wells. In those days, we used to get water in the wells. The wells are called as a Samsara Sagara. Those who used to construct the wells, they are called Nayakaha. They are Samsara Sagarasya Nayakaha. Today, we call them engineers to dig the bore wells. But before this, there were people who were finding the resource, that is the water resource, where there is a water is available on the fields, near the house. This is what we are going to discuss in the today's lesson. That is Samsara Sagarasya Nayakaha. Ke asan te agnata namanaha. Who were there who are not known to us? Agnata namanaha. Agnata means known. Agnataha means unknown. Namanaha names. Who are those names who are unknown to us? Shatashaha Sahasrashaha Tadagaha Sahasaiva Shunyat Na Prakatibhutaha. Hundreds and thousands of wells, they are not came within a day. There was a Ime eva tadagaha atra samsara sagaraha iti. These wells, in this lesson, we are going to talk them as samsara sagaraha. Etesham ayojanasya nepatye nirmapayitrunam ekakam nirmatrunancha dashakam asit. We see the beauties of these wells, but we must understand, behind these wells there was a one person or 10 persons who used to build, means who used to give financial support to build these wells. And Nirmapaitrunam, those who were building, there were hundreds of people were there. Etat एककं दशकं च आहत्य शतकं सहस्रकं वा रचयतः स्म. This 1 and 10 people together they used to build 100 and 1000 wells in the all over the world or the all over the city. परं विगतेषु द्विशतवर्षेषु नूतनपद्धत्या समाजेन यत्किञ्चित् पठितम्. द्विशतवर्षेषु, before 200 years, the new scientific way of taking out the water has come. That means digging of the bore wells. Before that, almost if we are all from the rural background, we understand that most of our grandmas used to bring the water only from the wells or the rivers. But after that, we started bringing water from the bore wells. द्विशतेषु वर्षेषु नूतन समाजेन यत्किञ्चित् पठितम्. After learning the construction of these bore wells, पठितेन तेन समाजेन एककं दशकं सहस्रकं च इत्येतानि शून्ये एव परिवर्तितानि. After once we learnt how to dig the bore wells, after learning this, all our wells which were the source of giving the water, they have become zero. That means man started neglecting these wells. Asya नूतन समाजस्य मनसि इयमपि जिज्ञासा नैव उद्भूता. I would like to ask a question to all of you. My dear Sainik school boys, you run cross country every Saturday. When you are running the cross country near the Hanuman temple, you see such a big wells, very well constructed, which are in a very good shape even today. But every time you see the wells, but did you think that who has constructed it? What was the use of it? But for us, it is zero today. But when it was built, नूतन समाजस्य मनसि इयमपि जिज्ञासा नैव उद्भूता. This eagerness is not there. Yet अस्मात् पूर्वम् एतावतः तडागान् के रचयन्ति स्म. Before us, these many wells, who were constructing these wells? एतादृशानि कर्तुं ज्ञानस्य यो प्रविधिः सः कुत्र गतः? The engineering mind before constructing these wells, where is that mind? Do we give respect to that mind today? Today, we don't give any respect to that mind. But imagine the day when the first this well was opened for the public. People used to worship that man who has constructed this well. Like this. These are all the wells. For your benefit, I am showing you some of the wells in the ancient India. In the history, we see these are all the wells. You see the temple wells at your left side. Every temple had a well, and people used to get water from those wells. And house well, you can see up from the rope, they used to get the water from there. This is the Bhoganandishwara Nandi Hills, you might be heard in Karnataka. It is the very famous well in the Karnataka. Whereas this well, this is the second left side. This is the Kerala's very famous well, and this is Hampi well. These are all the world famous wells. What are all the users? Who constructed these wells? How much people used to get benefited from these wells? We will see in the next class. Please think over the wells and their engineering minds and feel proud of them. What happened, how these wells were constructed, who constructed them, we will see in the next class. Dhanyavada.